Hello, my friends. This video is going only in English, not Hindi, right? So, lots of people message me, how can I learn English, right? Because because their study is vernacular medium, right? Vernacular medium means their local language, yeah, Hindi, right? There are lots of language in our India, like in India, Malayalam, Telugu, Tulu, Madrasi language, and other language also, right? Especially there are lots of language in South India, right? In North India is only Hindi and their local language. Okay, so their study is vernacular medium. Their study was in vernacular medium language. Their study not in English, right? They don't know how to speak in English, right? So there was a major problem for those person, right? So I would say my study was in Hindi also, my all study in Hindi language, right? So I didn't study in English language. I studied English as a subject, not a language. And on those time there is no any trained I should try to speak in English because I didn't know how to speak in English on those time, right? So I thought I should learn this language because lots of people they want to learn language. People they want to learn this language because they want to their change life. And I also watch lots of video to learning this language. And after learn them, and after that learn this language, they changed their life. Like English with Dehati madam, she is a village girl, right? So she's daughter-in-law also. She goes to their farm, right, to harvest the crop, right? All time and all time she have to work at home and there and her field also, right? She don't have much time, right? So being a having a lots of work, right? She learned this language. So why don't you learn this language, right? She also vernacular medium, right, of Punjab University, and she know Punjabi, Hindi, and their regional language, right? Like village language, right? So she don't know how to speak in English, but she learned English, right? So there is a big example, and after that she improved day by day, and she continued uh, every single day and practice, and now she become popular, right? So if you do every day I speaking English, right? So uh, she don't go outside. If you want to improve, if you want to learn this language, you have to start from your house, right? If you do any work, you should try to speak in English, right? Like if you goes to like if you goes to in the kitchen, right, to making food. So I'm going in the kitchen to making food, right? I'm chopping the vegetable, I'm season the vegetable, right? I'm kneading the dough, right? And I'm rolling the dough, rolling the balls, right? Like that, if you speak again and again and all time and and expand your vocabulary, right? And I want to say, like in this age, right, lots of people they are not able to learn lots of vocabulary. So I would say if you learn one word every day with meaning and at least two example, right, and memorize that word all time, and trying to include that word in your vocabulary, right? After that you will see after couple of months you increase your vocabulary, right? After 1 month you will see I learned 30 word in this month, right? If you learn one word every day, if your capacity is you can learn two word three word every day, so you can do, right? And you should talk with yourself in the starting, right? And there are lots of apps, there are lots of apps you can download, right? And talking with co-learner real person. So there I would say there are lots of apps you can use freely, free, and premium also, right? So whatever you choose, right? So there are lots of apps you can use and talk with friends. So I would say like in the starting there is no much need grammar, right? You think you don't have much time to learn grammar also, right? So I would say why if you want to learn only for conversation, there is not much need to grammar, but you should learn know basic grammar like tenses and preposition, right? So there is basic need to know, like when you speak in English, so you know very well, like con- if you conversation with other person, right? If you don't know much grammar, like especially tenses, right? So you don't know which tense you are speaking, right? Which tenses you are speaking with other person, and other person don't understand what are you saying, right? If like a person, if you want to, like if you speak your sentence in present but you speak your sentence in future, other person some gets wrong, right? So don't get properly, right? So especially basic grammar you should learn tense, right? And prepositions also, right? And little other grammar, not much. And 40 plus women's, right? And men's also, they want to learn English. So if they have time only 1 hour 2 hour, so you should utilize that time and learn this language. And I would say if you have children, right, there is no any partner who speak with you in English. So you have children, you speak with your children. If your children don't speak in English, no problem, but you should speak in English after couple of time, right? So your children will understand what you want to say in English, right? Because if you speak one sentence yet to the, and lots of sentence you speak again and again, right? Because you lived at home, right, with your children, and you speak lots of sentence again and again, one day, second day, third day, fourth day. So your child will understand, and if when you speak that sentence again and again, right? So after 1 month, right? So that sentence um, consume in your mind, and automatically after 1 month, automatically when you want to speak that sentence, automatically you speak that sentence, right? Naturally way. And if you think like when I learn grammar, after that I will speak in English. So so my dear friend, you what you want to what you want to learn, right? You should speak, right? And first of all you should start listening English, listening especially like cartoon, right? Cartoon language is very easy, short sentences, right? So like yeah, after like while listening, speaking, and some little you goes to grammar, right? So don't think you are 40 plus, 40 or 40 plus, so you can't learn English, right? Age is a number, right? So you can learn everything if you want. So age is a number. If you want to learn any language, like other language also, you can learn easily. English easy uh, because like you know very well, not tough language, right? Because in your school you learn little, right? Little and little grammar also you know very well, right? And some little sentences also, so there is no need much focus on your grammar. Your focus should be only speaking, right? So like if you don't have any partner, you should be, especially with beginners, not intermediate, you should speak with your children and your family members, right? If anyone laugh at you and making fun of you while you are speaking English, no, right? Don't get pay attention to that person, right? No problem, but you should speak in English, right? After some time, like, but you have to make your consistency every single day. If you do every single day, after some time you will get fluency and confidence also, right? So I hope you understand what I want to say. If you like my video, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, give one comment and one like. If any question, if any suggestion, you can write in comment box. So we will next video. Radhe Radhe.